So today we're at Spaces Jamaica. I know lots of my viewers wanted to see what they had to offer here, so let's get shopping. Alright, so Spaces Jamaica is located at Arden Emirates, and that's located on Arden Road, the same road where Arden High School is located. Now, this plaza is also the plaza where Sky Dweller is located, that popular restaurant, so it's really easy to find.
Hi,
Hi!
how can I help you today?
Alright, so I am Brittany Haye from Safe Haven YouTube channel, and my viewers are super interested in checking out Spaces Jamaica. So we are here to do a little vlog today, and we just wanted to ask you some quick questions before we begin the tour.
Okay, sure.
So what would you describe the decor style here featured at Spaces?
Oh, well, we offer a range of styles, anywhere from relaxed to modern. So you're gonna see it when you walk in, but we have like different styles, so we cater to a lot of people.
Awesome. Alright, and will you be having any sales or specials soon?
Yeah, so we're actually having a sale right now.
Really?
Ends July 4th, so you better get it before.
Woo!
I think we up to 15% off, I believe.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
And how can interested buyers contact you guys at Spaces here?
Okay, so we have like a range of options. We have WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 876-324-6552. We also have an Instagram, so it's at Spaces Jamaica, and you spell out Jamaica. And we have the office phone, which is 926-4013. And email at info@spacesjamaica.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Have a look around.
Thank you. Alright, so the first thing I really loved was this large round mirror. You know, that's pretty trendy now in the apartment space, right? And they had quite a few items. So guys, everything you're gonna see, the decor, the plants, the furniture, they sell it. Like, it's not just like decoration for the store. Like, they actually sell all these things that you're seeing, the wall decor, the orchids, everything. So yeah, I really like that. So they were able to like style everything in a way that you could get a really good vision of everything. So yeah, really liked that. I know we have some orchid lovers. This would look really beautiful even in your office, your home space too. But I think this would really look good in an office too, or even a home office. And here you have some outdoor furniture that I wanted to show you. This really nice patio set. And guys, they do have a really good website where you can, shop these pieces, because I got the conversion for the USD prices from their website, right? So you could always shop their website too. And also, the manager did tell me that there were pieces that were not in store that are on their website. So yeah, definitely check out their website. I'll link it in the description bar below. But I've been really loving like all these pieces with this navy blue and this like not navy blue but like a royal blue. Yeah, it's really beautiful and it goes well with gold. Again with this really like large round mirror. I really love this one. And this dresser was really nice too. The top is almost like a concrete feeling, you know, that smooth poured concrete. And I really like that design. It's like almost industrial vibe. Really nice. Love this mirror, and I love the lamp as well. I love the tones, like that brassy gold and the brassy gold again in the lamp. Really, really nice. So this lamp is a set of two, guys, for the cost. They do sell these comforter sets that you're seeing also on the bed. All the pillows, all the decor, all of that, guys. So I really love this quilt that's on the bed too. It's a really nice comforter. And again with that nice royal, almost like navy blue bed. Really, really beautiful. And here you have this lovely console giving very much farmhouse. So if you're a big farmhouse lover, they also have like farmhouse styles for you. And look at this couch, guys. This couch was already sold. It's so beautiful, and it looks super soft. Just wanted to quickly say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Woo, like thank you guys so much. And I know it's been a while since we did a furniture video, so this is kind of my way of celebrating 1,000 subscribers with this video. So thank you guys so much for all the support over the past few months. It means the world to me. So let's jump right back into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell also. So yeah, all these paintings and pieces were on sale, really nice. So if you have challenges putting together pieces, that this would be a great place to shop, because you know they give you a rundown of how you could style the pieces, or even for like inspiration. This is a Guys, don't you love this deep navy blue and like the greens, the emerald greens with the gold? I just love it with the gold accents, like those, like this chair that we just saw, both chairs that we just saw, those accent chairs, they look really good with like gold and brassy tones. And here's a nice like firm couch. It wasn't firm to the point where it was hard. It was nice and like cushiony. And that's the price for that spinning chair. Yeah, I couldn't find the price for this, so sorry. So let me know in the comments if you're still working from home and you're still searching for a good desk. I'm back to work, but I may still need at-home desks because there's still work to be done even on the weekends. But look at this sectional. Oh my gosh. The only thing that would hold me back from getting a sectional like this is the fact that I already have a sofa and the color, but this is really, really nice. And this nice poof too, so good. Guys, tell me that this sofa is not a winner. I love this sofa, I love this sectional. And can I tell you a secret? Like, the only thing I'll change about my sofa now is I wish it had like this lounge part that comes out that you can lay on, that is a bed part. Woo! Guys, get a sectional with this bed layout part. Wow. Life changer. Okay? Life changer. And this rug was really nice too. I love like how minimal it is, but still has a nice little design going. Now this chair does have like almost like some little, what do you call it? It almost looks like confetti, like fruity pebbles. But it was really cute. It was really, really cute. That could even go in a nursery. That would be a really cute chair for a nursery. Guys, so I misplaced my microphone, so that's why I've been sounding like this in this video. And honestly, like it's really throwing me off. I know a person's like, Brittany, it's not a big deal, like we can hear you, but as an influencer, like you don't really like when your sound isn't the best. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to play music for this video and limit the talking because I really don't like how I sound. without the microphone. So I'm just going to play music now. I hope you guys continue to watch this video. There's still lots of great finds and beautiful pieces to see, so continue watching. I'll check in with you guys a little later on in the video. Just back for a little bit to speak about this mirror. Yeah, I can't shut up. But look at this mirror, guys. Really unique piece. It was already sold though, but really unique piece. This is really nice. And this poof was super firm. So yeah, you know some poofs like you can't sit on them, you're like flopping around. No, this poof was firm. I approve this poof. And then here are these signs, you know, the home signs. God is love. My mom saw one that she really liked. So they have tons of these signs if that's what you're into, and tons of abstract art and glam art. Guys, what do you think about this painting? I'm so sorry, I cannot shut up. I hope I don't sound terrible without the mic. But look at this painting that we're gonna see shortly, and just tell me in the comments what you think of it. I think it's so creative, and it will go really good in a kitchen. So yeah, here it is. Look at that. It's like a aki, a bunch like a bunch of aki. Really nice. All right, my gun now. For real, for real. guys, let me just explain what's happening here. So these are like rug samples that they show here, and they can make these into, you know, larger area rugs. So these are just the samples for you to look at, and then, you know, you could choose the various size area rugs that you want from this sample and with the same look. So I'm just gonna pull out some samples to show you guys what they have. I was struggling a bit, but hey. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're the first person to know when we upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for all the love on my channel, all the new subscribers. Yeah, it's been like a week since we hit 1,000 subscribers, and I got some more subscribers since then. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to support them here. They have great customer service, and tell them I sent you.